Good day and welcome to today's news. My name is Sarah Wilson and I am bringing you the latest news. Following the death of Queen Elizabeth II, her son, formerly known as Prince Charles III, is now officially the King of the British monarchy. Molly consumption is on the rise across Jamaica. Manchester teenager died after taking just 2 pills of Molly, also known as MDMA, and this is why we're revisiting this topic today. Molly has been causing mayhem in Jamaican schools. Local police believes that the issue is deep-rooted in the popularity of the drug in the local music scene as well as American rap scene. Popping pills is now considered cool amongst youngsters, which is why drug dealers are targeting specifically schools. Nobody talks about the dangers of the drug, especially when consumed by young people. We're mourning the tragic death of a Manchester teenager today, and we wanted to remind you the dangers of consuming the drug. The dangers of Molly consumption include, but are not limited to, seizures, mental health issues, and death from overdose. That's it for today, and stay safe.
This is a public report.
Richard Brownfield, Paradise Nation.
Paradise Nation.
Public report, you know what I mean? Hey. We have a price to pay for our selfish ways. Things that we do affects the youth today. Yeah. Careful of the things you say. Karma will repay for your sins of yesterday. You better watch the dark. The streets are get attacked, and this is not rat-tat-tat-tat. You know how the tingle. If you want to bingo, check Ringo. The streets are get attacked. You better watch the dark. I'm in attack, rat-tat-tat-tat. The streets are get attacked. You better check the dark. I'm in attack, rat-tat-tat-tat. Molly epidemic. Molly epidemic. Molly epidemic. Molly epidemic.
Richard Brownfield. Paradise Nation. Public report. Yeah, this is the Molly epidemic.
You know, say, this morning, when you go in the bathroom, I watch the morning news. And guess what? The school picking them at Molly, them talk about, you know. And they make the kids them behave crazy, like, it just make the parents they look careless. May I tell you?
This is why we have to ensure that when we get our kids, they don't get involved in these things, you know.
True, babes. But I don't know what I'm to them picking these days. Molly.
I know yesterday, you have about 3 somebody come in with the same overdose of drugs.
Really?
Yeah, you have to end up sending a couple of them, 2 of them go town and one near Mobile. Because down in the hospital, long as have nothing to deal with patients like that, and you have to send them over. And even a little girl come in with some burn, you have to end up yearly for her foreign.
Really?
Yeah.
That dangerous man.
Yeah, man, our brother them get burned up in the house and...
Oh my, I know all that news touched my heart so much.
It's very touching. I can't even imagine what her father is going through right now.
Tell you.
Pray for Jamaica.
Amen. So people not drink the tea?
No, sir, may I hurry, man, may I hurry. So take care, sir, here. I shall see you.
Okay, later. Take care.
Pray for better days, Father. Pray for better days. Guide my sister and I going out and coming in, Father God. Pray for better days for both of us. You see, you know we really need it, Father God. Just guide us, protect us. Open doors for us, Father. Open doors.
Jed!
Yes!
Come now!
At least you look nice, though.
Look how uniform big for me.
What you mean uniform big?
If you did them a go laugh for me at school.
You go to take in education and take out poverty to your family.
When me go to school and me I look at all this.
What you want to do? You don't want to go to school, you want to go work then? You want to work? Okay, that's what me think. We'll see it here. $200. You remember seeing me alone? You remember seeing me alone though, because I run gone left free. You're there on part, and me tell the teacher...
I know me love with people them part food.
None yam none then, drink water pipe. All this here. Carry this with you then. Go on. And tell me, stop Navlet thanks for the way.
Jamaica. And when was the last period?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? So last month, you see a period last month?
Yes.
What was the day?
Was it 24?
24?
Mm-hmm.
24. Okay. But the test, we'll just do a while ago, come back positive, so you're pregnant.
Really?
Yeah, how you feel?
Surprise.
Surprised? So was it something your boyfriend thought about?
Yes.
Okay. Having kids is I'm just saying, I have fun, a lot of fun, a while. Alright, so I'm gonna write some vitamins and some folic acid and make sure you get some irons. Alright?
Okay.
And you're saying I go over sub-gynae if you get do an ultrasound. And then when I do the ultrasound now you can come back to me. So I can actually write up the book for you, alright?
Alright.
Sir? I have good news here.
Eh?
Yes man, your wife is pregnant.
What? The wine didn't work, man. Yeah.
You are going good?
Really? That's how you going on because me couldn't get him pregnant, but they said me just eat the wine in, things will work. So I say work.
Alright,
you know.
I'm back at eating and going, but here I'm gonna write. Make sure you go over the pharmacy and get this for her, you see? Ensure she get her vitamins and everything.
Alright.
Alright. So, congrats again. Congrats
Things
again.
right.
We'll see, see?
Okay.
And I wish you have a safe delivery.
Okay.
Alright, take care.
Hello, Doc. How you doing?
Here, what you do for me, Zine? I give you some product to sell. And I want some money for me. When you circle him and collect the money and make sure you get everything.
Yes, Doc.
Cash.
Cash. All right.
Not $1 less, not $1 more.
Okay, Doc.
So when you pick up, you just come circle me in the office, see?
Give me the location now.
Me send a location to your phone.
Yeah, man. Send to me right now, cause you don't know, so business is business as usual.
Alright then, no problem. We link, you see?
Yes, Doc. Respect it and thanks for the business. All right, sir?
Nah, man.
Yes,
nah,
Doc.
man.
Yes, Doc. Yes, but long time.
Well, things hard for me and that's something I look for. You know, you want to work or nothing at all.
So what kind of work you really want? Okay, I don't know, say if it's up to me, you know, make you come work for me, you know, in my house.
Take out relationship, put it aside. My sister start back school and it's hard for me, me really heavy. Me want something to do.
Alright, it sounds serious. Alright, here we go on. Based on what you tell me, just come link me. Right at my spot. You know my spot, what used to be Phil's spot. Right? Just come link me and we have a serious conversation. Alright?
Me I come right now, you know, call me serious.
Come in, man. I don't know anything.
Alright.
Okay.
You know, the situation with me and Jade already, I know say mommy run away, don't it?
Yeah, I know that situation, man.
And I really want to look something for do, but me not get nothing. And I know you ever have links all over. So if you could have set up a link or a work for me, I'd appreciate it.
Alright. I have one work I can put it on. But another norm, you know what I mean? Another norm where I expect it, like wait at work and so forth. See? You know, so nowadays everything change, a part of life, and everybody, you know, kind of want different fast pace. Because the digital world kind of take charge, you know what I mean? And people kind of move, you know, on a different decibel. So here, I have one new thing called, you know, Molly. Everybody take Molly right now. Saying popping pills, drinking, and this party.
So what does that have to do with me?
And you, I'm going to try to explain to you what going on.
Oh.
You see the benefit of the business itself. You know what I mean? I mean, you see what going on, but you know, see the behind the scenes of how them want party and why they need to party. I'm going to pop pills. You know what I mean? Me I talk about the youngsters, me I talk about even some artists do it too. You know what I mean? So here now, them pills, the business that I get involved in, it's so serious where you can't mess up. You can't allow you to mess up. You understand? But you sure your money. Because people are gravy. So me not have hand to sell it. So you gotta help me to sell it. You understand me? You look some man. Hey, stop worrying yourself.
Why? Me not so sure about that part there. Me not telling a lie. I'm me alone and my sister. I mean, no one go up, man, they gonna lock me up or kill me. Leave my sister.
Listen to me. Nobody not gonna lock you up.
Anything illegal no good there, master.
No matter. Yes. And no matter about no good or not, we have to understand, say, in life, if you don't take risk, you don't know your next thing. You have to take risk, step out. You have to jump. You understand me? I say, if you don't jump, you can't actually see yourself in a different light. You want help, not true?
Yeah, me want help.
This jump start, me I give you for your jump.
In an illegal business?
In illegal, you know. Because it's a pill, a medication, but I want different level of medication.
No, that I should have say. So you're not really illegal?
No, not really illegal. See?
I like who me I go sell it to.
Alright. It's like some club, some party people. Some people actually, you know, say, yo, them love party, them love the finest things, and at them the people love taking.
Oh.
And even some people at school too, you know. Yeah, man, the school, them love it, man. Them go to school and them, yes, sir, you know what I mean? But you don't have to sell them still.
Oh.
Because there's a market for everybody. Here I know. I'm going to make my link and I'm going to start you out. But you don't know it already. Me connected. So know yourself. See? So, I'm going to line you up.
So you're going to win for when? I want it as soon as possible. You come out if you have lunch money or nothing left here.
Yourself, man. Why? 12 o'clock now? So by 1 o'clock I call you. Drop off the first package, come give. Me I drop it off, man. Come on yard, you know.
No bother with that, no bother with that. Because all of them are sitting here going for you and you never think about give me a change, you know, me as a struggle.
Me I wait for your car.
Man, like how you are going.
Me I wait for your car.
Alright, Ringo.
Yo, you know, say Molly, they don't know use.
Brother, let me tell you why your problem. You take too much of them. So them might get used to your body. You see what I say?
You can't party though, Molly. Molly, have to pop. Music have to... I say you have to roll.
Yeah, easy, yo.
You know, say, are you more come check? Yeah, man, when you yard me, I'm going about me, I say.
Oh, really? Yeah.
How your customer that?
No, man, they don't know nothing about jokes. They don't take them to sit me. I don't like me and you know me?
Me and you? I sell a business me talk about, you know. Strictly business. You talk about me and you. Anyway, here we are going now. At the money I come find them, my boss, Doc, send me for the money for come collect from you. Because a long time I try to look for you and can't find you. Your yard me I come, I'm glad to me pass and I see you, sir.
You want to know, say, find that money you link me for, right? The Molly they don't know you study. Me can't tell people them there. Me say me have some on the bed. And me woman take you all. When me see my woman no reaction. Me take your rest. And me tell her say that night, it was wild. It wicked. Take the doctor to send me one.
So wait, you take food business as your personal piggy bank, eh? You do your own thing. Meaning say, I no business again. I no money thing. I your own personal gain. Let me tell you this, boss. Doc send me for the money. The money for the Mali. Mali money. And no for you. You understand? So give me the money. Me no want to call Doc. So tell me what I go on right now. How you go? How it a go?
Let me tell you something. When you sell anything, you have to test it. You can't sell people foolishness. You have to know say good, so when they come and tell them say good. And me taste one, and when me taste one, it's a taste another one. And me taste another one, we just take the whole jar we left, me and me woman. I say you have to test it. So tell that now say it's good, but we have to take whole heap. People have to buy whole heap. One can't help.
So you tell me say, my business, alright, you are going. Never call Doc, you know. I never really want to call Doc, you know. I never get called Doc for a case like this, but guess what now? You get from bad to worse. You and your Mickey Mouse play house. I'm find my phone. And you think I play a game, you know? Stay there, sir.
Tell me to bring more. Tell me to bring more.
To bring more? Alright, no problem, man.
Hello?
I think they have a problem, you know.
More needed.
Yeah, man. This a brother you talk about him want more after him a waste the thing. I'm a claim him have to use it before him sell it and him use it and everything done. So Doc, we have a big problem.
Hold on it. Make him keep him same place. Me I come.
Tell me can't move with him, man.
Where's say forward? Alright, yeah man, Doc say my forward. Yeah? Cause me can't do that one. Me sell it. A business me deal with. Yeah, Doc. Where's your forward now? Alright, Doc. Respect. Me there so right on the lane, man. Same lane there. Close to him yard. Yeah, alright. That's the one. Up there.
Yes, Doc. Bring it up. Doc, a punch you can't punch you. God, me not no spare time here, you know. Doc, where I go?
Boy.
Doc.
Doc, you see me now? Doc, I saw you. And this really coming back on now?
No boy, no ramping the product here.
I really disappointed you. I think you save life, Doc. I not take life.
From my money involved, me take life in my money here. Don't ramp with my money.
Yeah, but a worker still, you know. Line up still, one female. You know what I mean? So we can organize it. But we need some more goods.
Alright, I have some goods in my car, so.
Alright,
but what you see here, make it stay here.
No, man, I don't see nothing.
Hello?
Wagwan, baby.
Are you to tell me now?
You miss me yet?
Where you talk about? Nothing come through yet.
Alright, you Wagwan. Boy, look, I get lucky to reality jazz, guy. As me done tell you 1 hour, forward in, come link me.
Which part?
You know, say, me head down to the river. I don't know anything all the time hot. Somewhere come link me down, sir.
Alright then, me a forward. And about the river you think, say. Me a come.
Alright, come in, man.
Ringo.
Hello?
Me do a bit up.
Okay. You know some of the right at the right on the riverside or so.
Me nah come down, so come in now.
Alright, may I come right now.
Alright then.
Yeah. So come and show you what going on like here.
Me no want go down there. You can't just go feet and come. You not even tell me nothing about the business. You must be sell it for nothing like that.
Alright, you are going on. Is your percentage?
Yes.
It's based off of what you make is 35%, right? Off the top.
So how much you sell it for?
Alright. One pill you can let go for $2,000. $2,000. Yeah, easy, because we want to let it go fast. Now money on the street, they must say 3,000, but we want to go fast. We don't hold up on them. Because we have a whole heap of them. Because doc have them daily, regular. You understand me? That's a doctor work.
And me have 35% of everything we sell.
Everything you sell. You know it's enough money that.
Alright.
Alright? So we work it out that way then. But listen, this most important part. I love you, but guess what? I love business, I love business, I love money.
Business, you know, so me fear with business. Come on.
Come in.
What's I go? So you come from school and lay down on the bed in a dirty uniform wearing a whole day.
Me tired, I'm hungry.
That now have nothing to do with it. Although you know explain why you're in a bed with a uniform.
Can me just reach in and me just drop asleep. Tired, I'm hungry.
She never eat bad food, Jade?
No, people them food that tastes good.
You nah no choice. You should eat some of my food. Because now I don't know where me I go cook.
I'm hungry.
Around there. I think 2 and a banana around them. I go roast some here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, what you say? Yeah, man, I'm doing for red ground now. You're forward right now? This is good news, you know, so you're forward. Alright, boy, top of the ice. Yeah, man, so I'm there. Roll in, man, I'm there wait for you cool down. Alright.
What go on?
Well, I'm the one and only.
No bother with it.
Wait, say done.
Set off quick.
What do you mean, man? I know see you couldn't do it and I'm proud of you, you know.
See it
that's
here.
That's bringing that business. So, is everything there, sir? You take fee already?
No, sir. I don't take no note of it yet.
This, sir, is not 100%. Because we give you a certain portion and I tell you point blank. Remember, I tell you, say, you know, that business you can't mess up and it's a life and death situation. If me give you 20 stuff and if you sell them at 2,000 and you bring in X amount, that means you take fair share.
Me not take nothing. We are talk about ring. Just give me for me money, me go on, man.
Me can't give you the money, babe. As much as me love you, as much as I sex you, as much as I want you. You know what I mean? At MOB. You know what I mean?
So what that for me? So what me I go do now?
Babe, the business is the business. And you have to understand that. This is for the boss. Right now, me can't even say, boy, take what me forget out there, because you short all my money right now. And I don't tell you, say a deal is a deal, and a deal you can't mess up. The best thing we can do for you now is to give some more product, and you go sell some more, and you make it, and you understand how to watch your business. Something go wrong, but I don't know which part. Right now, I trust you, so I know say I must one mistake happen somewhere. But this thing, I have to hold it for the boss and for me, because I'm mindful with this.
What you mean? Me fi go back on the road, put my life in a risk, and me still not have no money in my hand. Me not do it. Police would have all me out at daytime and nighttime. I hustle like you say, we hustle pan it down low. And me do it, and me can't have money and you say short, and me don't know. Me not can do no more of this. Me can't manage it. This is too risky for my life. If you have $1,000, you can give me for pay me for if you go back up, you give me it.
Best me can do for you, lend you $1,000. So you have to give me back, I have to come check it back for.
Lend me?
And we can work it out some way. You don't know anything, though, because you have a good still, I know that.
After everything I lend me money, Ringo?
Business is business. If you go to Chinaman shop,
give me.
If you go to
no,
Chinaman
man.
shop and go do business with him, he want his money and he want his receipt. We are talking about.
Alright, Ringo, give me. Now say a word. You can't come back for.
When?
Next week.
$1,000 for next week. I see ya. Yo, you see?
You see you? You know, see, that's why I left you. You're a dirty man and you know it's wrong.
Yeah, boy.
Now come check ya.
Young miss, come and have a seat right here. I just spoke to your friend that I caught the both of you with the Mali, and she told me that you are the one that she got it from. Talk to me. Where did you get the Mali from?
From my sister, my thief it from.
From your sister?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I already called the police and they're on their way. Because this is a police matter. Young lady, look at me. I'm 100% sure this is not what your parents sent you to school for. Give me your parents' number. Yeah, go ahead.
2, 5, 8, 0, 0, 2, 1.
So is this number that you just gave to me, is it your mother or your father's number?
No, my sister number.
Your sister?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, this is Mr. Brown calling from the Pembroke High School. I have your little sister here. No, this is not about the school fee or anything. I have an urgent matter here. I want you to come down by the school. Alright? Alright then. Alright, yeah, alright, thanks. Come on in, young miss. Stand up over there and let your sister sit down.
Good day.
Yeah, man, good afternoon. Have a seat. You are the sister of Jade, right?
Yes.
Alright. The reason why we call you in, and first let me introduce myself before we go any further. I am Mr. Brown. I am the Dean of Discipline for the school. Alright? Alright, so we caught your sister and another student taking Mali on the school compound, and she told me that she found it in your drawer at home.
My jar at home. You find something in my jar. Oh, yo. Hold up your face. Feel me jar you find sitting in our yard.
Hold on, young miss. Let her go. We don't condone violence in our school. When you reach home, you can deal with this. But we need to address this first before we go into any violence. Alright, so let her go.
She okay, man.
Alright, so here's what. You see, because this is a police matter. We have called the police already and they're going to take it from here.
Call the what?
Yeah, man, the police is going to take charge of the matter.
For what? What happened?
She's already in the police hand, you know. But as for her, I'm not going to expel her because I see that the both of you have it very hard based on how she dressed.
We don't have it with you.
Yeah, man, I can see it. So the police is going to deal with you as it pertains to get some information from you because this is a police matter. I am just going to suspend her for 2 weeks.
What information from me?
They want to find out where you got it from and all the other details. So don't worry, man. When they come, they'll explain everything to you, alright?
You call, you don't ask me anything, sir.
Alright.
And you know Pitney a liar. You don't ask me nothing.
But that is the reason I call you in.
But you don't ask me. It's like you call the police before you know if I feel me. What's a lie Pitney that tell? Book me get locked up for little Pitney.
No, they're not going to lock you up, you know. They're just going to ask you a few questions and both of you just iron it out, alright?
Okay then.
Boy, you people make Pembroke School make news, you know. The dean called me, serious matter. Alright? No man, so oi, look, I talk to you. I get to understand say you are the bigger sister and you are the smaller one. And you make your little sister have access to bring stuff at school?
I did not.
Well, you have to find out that, you know. I have to know the source where it come from. Very, very serious at school. You know what I'm saying I do? Eh?
You don't ask me any questions, sir. And
No. The dean here tell me what I go on. You understand what I mean? I know everything what I go on. Alright, I will get to the bottom of it. Exactly where I come from, as we say. Plus, the way all this serious, you are look on 30, 35 years, you know. And you see, you will look at miss. What? Head up. May I talk to you? Listen to me. You know, say all them social workers, what them want call them down, so we take you until you are 18. And when you reach 18, you know what them are saying you? 4th August, so if you can swim straight across. It's a very serious matter. We need to know where this thing a come from. But I come bypass and go on like, boy, no, this and that, I don't know. The dean tell you I go on, we have all of the evidence. You hear me?
Sir, please, sir.
Oh, so please no. Alright, hold on. Listen, it's easier for you know. We just need names. I need names. You understand what I mean? You make it easier for yourself, you need to say who give you. You understand me?
What's the sense, man, if you hurt it 2 away?
Well, a lot of other people getting hurt because of this thing. Don't worry about that. Do not worry about that. We'll protect you. You understand what I mean? Me can't help you unless you help me. Alright? Simple as that. Just comply with me. Alright? Me will work. Certain things have to process, have to make steps and so forth. You understand what I mean? But work with me. Alright?
Alright.
Cool?
I want a man named Ringo.
Ringo?
My ex-boyfriend.
Ringo?
Yeah.
That the Ringo there from Dunga him. You calling him? Nampel?
Nampel Road.
No man, this serious man. Oh wait, you know from when we have that there boy there on our radar?
If me tell you everything, I'm sure and promise you I will protect me and my sister.
No man, I feel with the utmost protection for you guys, but me I tell you say, Ringo, a serious matter man. I don't want easy you that and you supposed to know that. You understand? A high school, you know. A high school, you can't imagine like that in a high school. Other people have them picnic and go. Look what happened today.
Me never know say she go take you out. He never meant for high school picnic.
No, not be careful with them things here, you know. I tell you, at a serious matter, Ringo. No man. Anyway, you can't make Ringo know say, you come down here. You can't make him know because we're not ready to put you on a witness protection. It's up to you. But we know we have to deal with it. You understand me? So you go home, you pretend like everything is just the same. We have to deal with Ringo case. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Right.
So Ringo live in Ampril, but he don't really stay in Ampril.
No.
He stay at Red Ground. He run a Red Ground, he sleep on Wednesday and Friday.
Mm-hmm.
In the one shop at the same college, every morning we come in for everybody we sell it pill them. So I don't know which part he go collect a package though. He never tell me which part he go make me come there and date there for package them my pill.
Oh.
Yes.
But it seems like you know what heap still, you know. You know all of the operation. Alright? But remember what I say? You know, no come here. You don't know nothing.
But Ringo have to deal with it. We have to deal with it. You hear me?
Yes.
Oh.
And one more thing, sir. You can't give me $1,000 because me worrying go $1,000. I know him go come for it.
So hold on there. After all the dealings you do with Ringo, you owe Ringo $1,000 and you expect me supposed to give you $1,000?
Yes, sir.
But you look on your face, you come like you're serious. You know what?
You serious?
Me know. Never give you. I'm going to give it to you. You understand what I mean? I'm going to give it to you. I'll give back Ringo, but when you left here, remember me say, no, come here. We have to catch Ringo.
Jada, when you come in, I talk to you. I say I talk to you. No feel like we do alright, you know? Come give me phone and listen to me because I come like you not hear me. We don't know alright. Because you could have carried it to school and you could have harmed you or you could have harmed somebody else speaking and me would have ended up in trouble. I try with you and I do everything. From mommy gonna just me and you. Any little money me get towards you. Any little thing me beg for you. Not even myself really. Cause if me not alright, me make sure me making me point of duty to make sure you're alright. And look here, you see what happened? You see what happened when man investigate me? You know if you tell nobody at all, you know if you out your mouth, me take away your phone, you have 2 weeks suspension, you know no friend I see, you know no TV I watch, nothing at all, you hear me? Cause for me and your life is at risk now. You know Ringo. From me and Ringo used to talk, so you know what type of person he be. Y'all listen me?
Yeah.
Me know say by me carry it in here and the right thing if you do. But me a that try to make one better life for me and you know pick the sitting and not even for adult. But me a try say me can get one little side hustle to balance out thing for me and you. Cause from the school start and so me no have nothing at all. Me know you understand the life. Me know you are no idiot. And you must know say me love you. Cause me could have gone if I could have choose certain part. But through me want to make an example. Me want you be somebody we can look up to. As me say sorry for carrying that. Cause me no apologize and me know say me wrong within myself. But you have to try and make this work here. Yeah. But you can't go have no phone, you can't go tell nobody at all what happened to that place, remember. I go look sitting cook here. Come.
So how things, man?
You know what's the business good?
This is when you go draw out any desire what they have, you know.
That's the thing, bro.
Yeah, man.
Cause I guess I know them a request the upgrade, you know. And friend, this is upgrade one, right? So we're good to go, man. Cause guess what? We want more people and more money.
Well, I like the sound of that, you know, and we have some new stuff there. You know. Yeah, man, we have some artists on it, man. The new young artists, them. Yeah, man, that them take. Right. You think them go along up on stage and jump and go along. Yeah, them love it, man.
We need that the link there.
Big money, man.
That the link that we need.
I have the link, is me supply them, see me. Yeah, man, you know where I go, man.
No problem, man.
Everything, man. Everything,
that,
man.
give thanks. Highly appreciate the business. Yes, sir.
Nah, man.
I wish you again. As me get it, it's all done. And we're good to go. Yes, sir.
Do it, man. Do it. Here?
All right. Wait a turn, sir.
Police.
Police for what?
Alright. Dirty corner boy Ringo. You know if I when I track you?
Women track me.
Track you? Alright, just wait.
Yo, give me time. Give me time, man.
Give me time. Hold on. You see in here, sir?
Yeah.
I don't know where you go. You're so big on it. You hear me? Come here, man. Police, come here, boy. Come here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let me walk one. Sit down, Mr. Great Ringo.
Hey,
You wretch you. Long run shot catch. Eh? You know from when I have you? From the radar, brethren. You what now? Boy, you go and sell Mali. Eh? I have all the evidence here. You hear me? But I have something to show you still. Evidence.
Over on that. Enough for me on that. What that? Salt? Flour?
Eh? Alright, hold on. Now better yet. Alright. Better yet. Now go put a face to your hand. I offer face that. I offer hand that. And who that brother ya? Yes man. Hey, yeah, bro, drop. Look. Blow down man. Blow down man. Blow down.
Boss, what you want, mister? What you want?
What you want and what you can get. You, I look upon 30 to 35 years in the hole. This are you when me sure about. Who this? Who this?
You're the man named Dr.
You have amnesia now? Dr. what him name?
Dr. Chambers.
Dr. Chambers?
Yeah, Dr. Chambers. Yeah, boss.
Are the roundabout a nigga?
Yeah.
Mirror. Then I'm a wife gynecologist, man. I never like that ratty. You not gonna work today. You not gonna work today. Sit down. Mr. Boss. Now work out today. How about that with it? This is gonna be your home for a little while. Hear, boss?
So you mean if you tell me, sir, me give you all this information, all this thing, and I will strike a deal, and there's no deal for me, so I can't trust police. Is that do you do?
I work. Just like how you did at work. When you sell that thing and I think about the consequence of why that's a look at. It end up in a school that little picnic heavy. Eh? Think about it. What if it was your child? You understand what I mean? You don't think along the line, the money nice. But think down the line. You hear me, sir? Come man, come. You can't get off of this one. I know a deal part I got. That is not with me, out of my jurisdiction, alright?
Hold on, I still talk this.
This can't wait, now. I have a warrant here for your arrest, sir.
I'm in the middle of a...
Yeah, but I know, sir, this I can't wait.
Wait, hold on, what kind of...
Whoa. Young man, outside to your parents, sir. Go out. Outside.
Oh, hey.
Yes, outside. Go outside to your parents, sir.
What is this?
Anything you say can handle be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney, alright? You also have a right to shut your mouth. Listen. This look familiar to you, sir?
I mean, what is that?
What is that? I have a better view for you. How that look? I have plenty where this come from. Look good.
Are you a madman, sir? This is one of my patient. He's sick. He's mentally ill. He'd come to me and me I give him some medication. He's a mental man.
And you know, say the good thing about this thing is when you have an informant, a man that know your operation, we just go straight to the point. You know, lay. You have a camera here. Let me show you something. What is? Hold it.
Yo, Doc. That jail thing I get to me, you know. I mean, I use them lifestyle, you know. You understand what I say? But I don't know, say, this situation is bigger than just a normal case. It's not a normal case. I mean, I want to say, boy, I pressure you and make you feel like, you know, but we need to come out of the place. We can't take it. Look for me. 4 months of stress inside, brother. Stress out.
Yo, hear me, sir. I just want to phone more on that because I want to call Mr. Lipton. Because that the money can get me out of something right now.
Phone? Yo, I must say me forward before you know. Look for me and have a prison suit. How you know wear for your prison suit? What happened to you?
I read them something, brother. Them sitting all down in your life.
Alright, see phone you know. You have 2 bar on it. So you have to make a call swiftly. And you have 2 bills credit on it. You understand? And a flow, so you know what I mean?
Don't worry something. See you something.
Hurry up, let's hurry up. Hello, who is this?
Mr. Lipton, Mr. Chambers.
Who, Dr. Chambers?
Yes, ma'am, Dr. Chambers.
Oh, long time I haven't heard from you, man. What's up?
You know, I run into some difficulties with the police.
What do you mean you're running difficulties with the police? What really happened?
I don't know, them raid my place and say them have some pills. Them charge me for some regular pills that I give my patient. They say I'm doing drugs, which is nothing like that. So them have me down at the station and I've been trying to reach to you over 3 months now.
Oh, the reason why you weren't able to get to me, you know, I have been in China, you know, because of the whole pandemic and everything. I've been in China trying to get some medication for the country and thing, but I'll be back in the country soon, man. So when I come, a matter of fact, I could call and find out what is going on and try to get you free up. Which station are you at?
Them have me at the Horizon prison.
The Horizon?
Yeah.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. I'll make a few calls and you'll be free in no time. I'll ensure that all the charges that they have against you is thrown out.
Alright, yes sir, respect sir. And enjoy your stay in China, sir, alright?
Alright, yeah man, take care in jail.
Alright, no problem.
Yo, I live outside.
Everything good, man. They are China, you know. See me? So I'm calling. They say, I make a link with the commissioner and make everything come out. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Don't worry about that, man. Yo. Just don't worry about come out and say that because a long time I don't see my browning free. You see me?
Yeah, talk about your browning. Me tell you something, man. I want to know who set me up. A photograph, man, have, you know. When I see man have a photograph, I have to ask man, say, yo, enough rasta down a nigga. So, you know what I mean? But when he show me now, the definite face of me and you, I say, oh, what is this? It's a witchcraft. It's a much something different because we are doing business on land. And the customer them love what I go on because I'm dealing with what they forget. See, me I wonder to myself, because I can't think to it, the point I say, boy, maybe you have set me up, you know. Because he two over there, so, and another way set up picture that I store, you know, it's sell right now. One more you find out is when you get released, when you check for your customer them. All of them, come here check for my people them and see what I go on. You know what I mean? All the boy, the papa, when you throw your hammer on their head. How hammer you use?
Yo,
what you use?
You're messing up, man.
Alright.
Relax, man. You got this.
4 months, you know, man. Stress.
Mr. Relax, man. You have to stop with the Mali thing.
No, Mali a business. No.
Listen to me now, man. I have a better idea. You see me? Right now, I get a vision last night say, yo, to make it in a candy version, like something sweet, undetectable. You see me? Gummy beer.
Boom, bun rice, Doc. Right now, I know Doc me a call again, you know. Professor Doc. You want that, sir? Professor Doc. Believe me. Yo, when me think about say 1x, because if you say no Mali, I wonder what we can. Because you must say kids them love the sweets, you know.
Listen to me now.
And when you talk about, you know what I mean, the streets.
Undetectable. All police that can give one.
So how soon I can get that done?
As soon as I come out of this place, man. Don't worry yourself, man. But that's how I plan, isn't it? Just stay loyal and stay on foot. Isn't it?
Doc, you don't know. Doc, come on, Doc.
You make
Yo, I want to talk to you. Yo, come on, me talk to your sister. Step out, me talk to your sister, no, man. Me I talk to you, come like you me I talk to. How you grow big in 4 months? Enough things go on, you know. I'm going to explain yourself. When I step in that place, make sure you're ready to talk to me.
Jesus Christ, Ringo. A 4 months now, I don't see you, know. I kind of miss you in some way, you know. Come here and say, oh, I don't see you, I don't hear from you normally, you nag me. So everything alright with the door?
Hear me, I say. You see that kind of introduction and celebration, like you're happy to see me, the fake thing, then nobody with it. I know you, know, I say a long time here there, you know. I know your ins and your outs. You understand? But you, me, I say now, for 4 months, I'm in prison. See, I think about it, I say, who could have really put me in this situation? To make me go to prison.
You did your prison?
Prison me there, jail.
Jesus Christ.
You never know?
No, I never know. So what make you go to prison?
You don't know how I go to prison?
No.
Alright, I tell you then. I'm working with Doc for a long time. See, we have some people I work with where I never get in a certain trouble and difficulty.
Which Doc?
Doc? You worry about Doc. So when me now find out the situation of saying, me I introduce you to the situation. After me introduce you, here comes jail yard, prison sentence me. If
so
I
we
never...
are try say, we are try say,
No,
Ringo.
I don't try say, me I ask you, you have nothing to do with it? You have nothing to do with it?
Me?
I ask you one last time, I may ask you again. Because you don't know a thing, go. You have nothing to do with it?
You should never expect that.
You have nothing to do with it?
No,
okay.
Ringo.
No,
you can't expect that from me. You know me that never sell you out for love nor money. Me not sell you out for. Me know you have your ways and you mean and so, but me never go do that.
You know mean? What about mean?
Imagine, Ringo. Before you say you get locked up at least, no, if you don't lie, you tell her the next woman the day with you.
You want to see me before we talk about lie, me I tell?
Let me talk now. Let me talk. Before you get locked up, you left me high and dry now and say me not have nothing at all from me. You top of certain band and love and bed now go on. You don't give me nothing. Not even $10 for help with my sister.
But here we go now. See, you have to understand the system, you know. Because I don't tell you, I say, work where I work. And that the work there, I tell you, up a river top, you know, say, yo, business is business and I can't see the sealer, I can't put my feelings in the business. Because so me make my food, and I make you make a food. And I don't know what going on. Up until now, I don't know what going on. You know? Because you will go tell me some money short and you go stick me up now because I say, yo, hold $1,000. I'm a business, you know?
No, sir.
You understand?
No, as much as you did send back your man for $1,000, I never do that. $1,000 that, you know? That's soft, man. I never sell you because I know I can't look for you. Cook some good food here, roast some dumpling here, I don't have it here.
Alright, here we go now. See?
Yeah.
4 months in prison. And can't go and see me because I'm not a liar. Raw, you know, mean say.
Nothing can go on for who?
I bet. See.
Come like when I hear what me that say.
What do you mean?
Me never want you before you lock up. After you come out now. Me I go want you.
No,
you Ringo. When me and you left, you don't do nothing at all for me. Me tell you already. Me not give you nothing. Go and go buy it somewhere, somehow. You're a man in the street.
No, I'm not buy front. I'm not buy front. Don't do that.
You're a man in the street. You have no option.
Don't buy those things. Ringo have too much pride, girl. If you go lay down upon what? Easy, man. That's why I tell you, you don't really know me and understand what we're not going before, you know. But here we're going. Before you say it, I'll link you back. Make sure say your sister right. See? Because you don't know anything. I'm fresh out. I just come from back. You went to see me before. Bush up, me don't know what I go on. The food in the prison come like some different kind of family night.
Yeah, come see you get little belly and everything, but if fat prison fit you.
You can't touch me. I mean,
you lock up fit you.
Lock up fit me? So you say if you go back?
No, hey. me never say that. Me never say if you go back.
So what you say?
Alright,
watch what you say, man.
Yeah, man, make it stay.
Angle your bangle. Go and watch your thing. Come and see enjoy yourself with your sister.
Yeah, man.
I like the band where I go on still. But if you hear nothing on the street...
No, me not hear nothing because me not go road.
If you hear nothing on the street, you link me. See? That's how I do it.
Yeah, man.
Can I touch you
again? Go
about
your business, yeah, man.
No touch?
Cannot even trust you, not trust me. Me a fall person.
But is that? Make it stay this. Make it stay this.
I can't ask me foolishness.
Oh, all right,
think I want money I can't give me. I can't ask me, boy, if I may put you in a problem.
Hello?
Good afternoon.
Who this?
This is Amanda speaking.
Oh, Amanda, how you doing?
I'm a bit worried and right now I'm even traumatized because this morning Ringo came to visit. He not even too long left come and check me and I said if you ever find out, say me if I have nothing to do with the case, man, what am I going to do? Me never sign up for this, you know?
No, man, I dream, man. I dream. Is why you have nightmare about this? No, man, no. Come on. It's not a joke thing, you know? It's not really a joke thing.
Man, when they behind bars, could they me at gate and he come, he not even me gate, he come right round to me.
What you say to me? Alright, you want then? Hold on. I'm going to make some calls. And find out if something goes on. But it not sound likely. Something like this not sound so likely. But just calm your nerves. Yeah, I'm going to make a couple calls and then me link you back. Don't worry yourself. Alright?
When quick fi hang up, you did tell me that before I say me go there in a protective custody because me tell us they still have people on the street. I don't know put me under none. And now Ringo can come to tell me this. Me have my sister go to school for a road and Ringo them is no company.
Calm, man. Alright, I make a couple calls, man. Alright. I wonder weird. No, sir. That's not too real. Not realistic at all. Why I never know? This is like the wrong boat this story. Alright, I have to go up on the next one still.
All free, baby.
Tell me now.
Yes, there. Go and look at your sexy body and thing, you know what I say? So, what want to ask sister, see? That now come back?
Babes, I tell you the truth, you know. 4 months now, you know. 4 months since in Lockway. And you know, say 4 months and I know and I right here so a long time that I'm there in this big house by myself. You know how long my body not get touch up.
That me there for do still say you know say you don't have to worry yourself again, you see.
Right now if I look at my skin I can see all just a pulp out through my skin so.
Yes man.
Jesus Christ. One night set. No. One night bed.
Hurry up, James. Hurry up, man. Cause yo. Months me there, you know, man. What you do, man? Come here.
Yes, me look so.
4 months now, me not get nothing, you know, man. We're ready for you, you know. 4 months, me not get nothing.
Glad to see you.
4 months. 4 months.
Jesus Christ! That's so much here for you.
Come on, now 4 months, you know.
Calm down, babes. No, man. Don't make you never make them just trim me in jail before you come. Look there.
Chimo, no boy can't touch me here in a jail.
Could
and you know this. Yeah, listen to me.
This a calm me, babes.
But
No,
you know,
man.
4 months, you know.
Calm down, man. You know me not too like here. By the way, how you come back already so quick?
So you're not happy to see me?
Yeah, me happy to see you, but babes, come on, man. Me never know say so quick you come out. Just me shock me.
First thing, if me have a phone in the jail, I come out long time. Because me have connection everywhere. Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, babe, so how was it, the journey?
No, man.
Come no, man.
I want to make
you
nice.
know, miss me, come spend time with me. We are paying nice to pay attention to who outside. Come now. Watch here. Spend time with me. We talk now. Watch here. What you look for?
No, man. Something alright.
Babe, you can't miss I have one, so you're no long kissing. You see, you didn't have woman at jail, you know, you.
Oi. Get up, man.
Who are they? Thief! Lord Jesus, thief! We're reaching your thief!
I'm going to
Who are you reaching here?
Yeah? Come on,
yeah,
man.
Yeah, who are reaching here?
Ashana, a jail me I come from.
Me know.
I don't want to go back. Here, don't come go and if you want to complain again to me.
Who are reaching here?
What do you mean you only reaching now? How you reaching now?
Me don't know. Because me go bathroom and I time, so me don't know how you reaching now.
Listen to me, stop around with me. You might tell her, a jail me I come from and I don't want to go back. So you know what you are going to do? You want him, you like her?
I like her, boss, for real.
Come on, you want him, come on, yo. Go on, man.
No, baby, you can't do something. You know, so we never do nothing yet. Babe, we never do nothing. We did just a plan to do it. We never do it.
Well, you know what, go do it now. Go on.
Stop, no, you can't do it.
Soup. Enter. Soup. What go on? Soup. I have to talk to you, boss.
Detective Spence.
Yes, sir. Listen to me, all right? No disrespect. Dr. Chambers and Ringo. I don't know if you know the case there from some months back. Right now, me here say the man in the on the road. The man on the road, and after all this work with me here, confirm say something goes up. I don't understand. You need somebody to just tell me what I go on. Because the man in the on the road, and then free, I walk around, and after so much investigation that me do, send the man them behind bars, hold them end up back on the road.
Detective Spence, I want you to calm down. Doc, he's a powerful guy.
Powerful?
That's so very powerful.
No, man, hold on.
Well, I want you to understand one thing, Detective Spence. I support you in everything that you did to put him away. But I'm also going to tell you something. And understand, I want to see you have a flourishing career.
Sir, with all respect, how can the career flourish when something like this, which is blatant, everything, the procedure went through out catch, and the man is still free right now on the road, come out of jail, left on the road now. How is that possible? I just can't understand that. How is that?
Well, I tell you one thing. Ringo on the dock, I agree with you, they shouldn't be on the road. However, you must understand how the system can work sometimes, and it is working against you and me. But most importantly, there comes a time. I saw you growing in your career, and I want to see you continue to grow in your career. So my advice to you, as important as it is to observe the law and do what we're called to do, I want you to really quiet down on this one.
Yeah, sir, you know, listen. This man is a dangerous man, you know, the one they call Ringo. The whole community know that. And you repeat yourself and whatever, but it just can't work for the man on the road. Listen, this whole moral of the police, right now I feel like just put on everything and forget about it, you know.
And I don't recommend you do that, because understand that their powers greater than you and much greater than me. So those powers are at work.
What kind of powers?
Well, this is what I would like you to do. I want you to calm down, take your mind off this case.
What, sir? Seriously, sir?
Absolutely.
Sorry, I can't do that.
It is in your best interest, and I'm not going to mention mine. I have a career, you know, and I have a pension which I'm close to. So I'm going to tell you straight up, this is what I would like you to do. Take your mind off this case. It's bigger than you.
So you're taking me off the case, sir?
I am at a place right now in my career, and I'm going to suggest you're there as well. How many children do you have?
4, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
You are, right?
Yes, sir.
And I know you're sworn to uphold the law, right?
Yes, sir.
But I want to tell you, and this is a personal suggestion, it is in your best interest to step aside. Walk away from this. And that is my last word to you on this. And I'm hoping that we don't have this conversation again.
All right, sir. All right. Respect.
Yeah, man.
All right. Thanks for your time, my boss.
And have a great day, okay?
All right. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, man. My pleasure.
All right. Cool. Yeah, hello? Amanda? Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is it. Alright, listen to me. We have to go talk. And me I go want you meet me. Alright, yeah, we know where it's safe for you can meet me. Me I go tell you. Behind the beach park there. Alright, yeah man. Right at the auditorium there, man. Me I go run my back, run the button around there. So, me yeah man, yeah. Yes. How soon? Yeah man. Alright, so me will see you around there. Me reach before you, so me there wait, alright? Okay. Cool.
Jada! Yes? Come here!
Where Ringo did come here for?
You're too enough and you're a picnic and you get me in this situation here. Oh, me I go to the station. Me not carry you with me, but me I go to the police station and come back and if you lock up the place. No matter who call, no answer. You lock window, you lock door, you lock everything. When anybody call me, they still they call till me come. When the place locked, they might think say me not there. No turn up no TV, no do nothing where you not fit do.
You go leave me one here?
Yeah. So me just call if you tell her that. So just close up the place, me soon come.
So if Ringo come, if you let him in?
You come back and Ringo, me tell you you're a pit, you don't need to be in a big people conversation, certain way like a girl. Just a hack sack question. And remember, don't let in nobody.
Say now like if you do and win them before you go.
Yes, sir. I never sign up for this, you know.
Boy, I know, I understand. I never something I look forward for, to tell you the truth. Boy, this thing catch me unexpected.
You know, so Ringo come and me and him check me say if he ever find out say me have nothing to do with him good on. A problem?
Talk to your soup. And the way your soup behave like so boy, he want me to kind of ease off of the case because, you know, them man, hold on, just hold on. Not beg it up. I know how you feel and I understand. Zane? You want me kind of ease off of the case because the doc there, boy, I never even know so him man heavy. The doc and he had a Ringo in here, Ringo. Zane, him and them have links. Bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than he soup himself.
So what about the witness protection, something where you say people are going to protect we?
Well, that really not going to work, you know, man. It not going to work. You wasn't a witness. You wasn't a witness. So the witness protection not going to work. Yeah, what we can do, the most we can do. I mean, I beg you for do. Listen to me. Listen to me. You do a lot for me, I'll tell you. Best you can do is just find someone to chill out. You know, and we like family or friend.
I go chill out and me and my sister alone, sir. I tell you that from man. I mean, nobody fi go, no friend, no family. Nothing at all. I mean, nah, my sister got no man yard because I don't want she see me do certain things.
I understand that. You don't have no family at Portland or back I said nowhere.
I don't know if you know Ringo.
Me I tell about Ringo, man. Remember say me had them on the pan radar for a long time, you know.
You have him on radar. Ringo used to in a me bed. Me and Ringo used to talk. Me and Ringo used to do all long. Me I tell you, Ringo I know one easy man. He have links all about the place.
I know about Ringo, especially all the doctor. I never know all them stuff there, but at the end of the day, I do my work and whatever. But I just for your safety, you have to go chill out. Alright, here what happen? I know you don't want tough position. Alright? But here what me I go do. I have an auntie who sent me a place near Mango Valley. Zane? I know she have houses and so forth. Alright? My pay can't pay rent, but I know one phone call, she can put up and take care of her. You and your sister?
Yes, I'm going to be my sister.
Alright, but here what happen now? When you go over there, I'm going to make the call, you know. I'm going to make the call. I'm 100% sure said she will help you. It's a new start and a new life, but at the end of the day, this is a life here, where you live and how you have it hard. better you try a fresh start. You hear me say? But I'm going to make that a call there, and I can guarantee you say you will get the help. You hear me? Alright?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks very much. Remember to call me, you know?
Look here. The important as if thing, I have to call you. I have to call.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Me never see no fiancé me, you know. What me do? Oh, me a come. Me never tell us you no fiancé nobody.
So now you call me.
Come like call him Mali, them bust up in your head. You idiot. If somebody did come and kill you, so you like along. Come out of me way, man. Come out of me way. Jesus Christ, Jade. Where do your ear? You look at time you gone down the see you bleach out the whole head top. What's your day of school? What's the people they tell me say if you go to school and nothing go happen to you? Jesus, you're gonna make me kill you, you little girl. You're gonna make me kill you. Me not even gone 1 hour good you hold your head bleach out. Where you get bleach out your ear?
Oh, one of my friend did give me some.
Come. Uncle prayer can help you. This time me swear say you want to pray for. Good on. Come. Pray. But mad me, I go mad me. You know, say sometimes if you really want if you make me run away. You come like in this sick, you just dodge a bullet. I know you whole life pressure left for me and no matter how me try do everything for you, everything in this world let me do it just for you. Mommy gone, me have you. Me get in a trouble, see the trouble up on me head more way you can think about me your life in a danger. And not because of you. Because if I never you, everything would have run smooth. What me fi do? Me don't know what else to do. Me don't know. God, me don't know.
Sister, I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again. I'm not going to let you do it again, sister.
Where did you, sir?
On to you, no, sir. On to you. See me? Holy pa little foolishness and mischief you make up me, virgin. On to you. You hear me? Mali doctor. So your name. On to you.
Listen to me, sir. You can't just come in and place like this. Not because you have that suit or that vest make you feel like you have authority than me. You know who me is?
You know who you is? The Mali doctor. Oh. You hear me, sir? And I tell you, say me on to you. We know all of your operations and what happened to you. I can't believe say you come back. You did a road and I continue practice. Eh?
You don't have nothing against me.
Me don't have nothing against you.
You not nobody down in the station have nothing against me. And if you continue if you do this again, if you try to come in on my business.
No point your finger on my face, Bridget.
Excuse me?
Yeah, yes, man.
In my space.
Your space, this is a public place or whatever you want to call it because patient coming in. I'm a patient today. I'm on to you.
Sister, you don't really have much sense in us.
I hear you.
Patient for who? You're not my patient.
Don't worry yourself.
You know what? Do this again. I'm not going to have this conversation with you again now. Come in on my place again and try to disrespect me and see if me not put you in traffic.
You put me in traffic?
Don't worry yourself.
You
don't worry yourself.
Put me in traffic? You're a madman, man. You're a madman. All me need to tell you, say, you wonder how all this happen. You remember last time I just come and I go where the thing there? Eh? You ever wonder yourself yet? You ever sit down? You ever think of how we know stuff? You ever rat? Eh? Yes, man. Wipe it too. All your closeness with Confederates and all them things. I think we just know everything there now, y'all go. The only thing I want to know is that how you get off of this. And me I'm going to try to get to the bottom of this again because guess what? You know shouldn't be on the road. You there, I sell Mali. to school pick me and I sell all over. You never care who you get. But at the end of the day, you collect money. Look for you. Doctor, where you need them? You understand? I don't understand you. You have a big. When you want to call it if you be a doctor and you stay on the road and sell drugs. Eh? You ever see how a madman, you hear me? But I tell you this again, me on to you.
Your aunt yourself.
Me on to you.
Your aunt yourself. And
all right.
Leave my place.
No, I'm not going to leave, you know. But I tell you, say, the next time you come back, you know, have a pretty like the last time. Or worse, for you here, you look a molly doctor, yo. Oh, by the way, it's a time good doctor, boy. Look for me. A ring or rat you out if you want to know. See? Remember me tell you, say, next time you come back here, Virgin, you know, have a pretty, you hear me? Have a nice day, sir. Have a nice day.
Where are you going, Professor?
Ringo!
Hey.
How you doing, sir?
Yo, brother, you know, say, right now, I drop off the gummy, because the gummy gone for, yo, making people turn dummy.
Yeah, man, alright. I have good news, man, good news. Yeah, what you do now? I want you to meet me at the same location, see?
That I can't today, no?
This is one, man, same place, man, where we always meet.
Me say, I can't today. Me I drop off the thing then, boss. Boss, the thing
yeah, man,
shut
tomorrow, man, I'm on it.
I'm on it?
Yeah, man, I'm on it, man.
Alright.
So, remember, you know, 9 o'clock, see?
9 o'clock?
Yeah, man.
Same place?
Yeah, man, come alone.
Come alone?
Yeah, man.
Hello? Yes, Commissioner? You're talking about Detective Spence? You're saying to me that he went back to the doc's office? But I thought I already fixed the situation. I had a long discussion with him and I told him to leave it alone. I tell you what, Commissioner, I will deal with the situation, all right? Consider it done. Detective Spence, I need you to come over here right now. It's urgent. Come in.
Yes, sir.
Don't sit down. Don't. Stand right where you are.
What now, sir?
I just had a call from the commissioner.
The who?
Commissioner, my boss.
About what, sir?
About you doing exactly what I told you not to do.
Me, sir?
Yes, you. Did you go by the doc's office against my instructions?
So, you know them things I go. I mean, you know them things I go.
The last thing I said to you is that I want you to table this. Shut it down. How many children you have?
4, sir, as I said.
And you're married, right?
Yes, sir.
Why are you trying to mess that up? Don't you have to take care of them?
You know, it's a raid me I come from, you know, boss. A raid. Just put my life on the line. It's a raid me I come from. So, you understand the work and me understand the work. That is just it.
I clearly get it, and that is why I want you to continue doing what you're doing, but you're interfering with your own success.
Sir, you understand what is happening here, sir, with all due respect. All due respect, sir. You know this man role, you know what happened and stuff. And I just couldn't, you know, I just had to go there just for a little time to say something.
Spence,
yes, sir.
We have gone past discussing this man.
Sir, man.
My last word to you was leave it alone. And you totally disregard what I said to you.
The commissioner, sir?
The commissioner and those above him. This is bigger than you, bigger than me.
Why something you're not understanding?
Well,
something I am not getting.
Guess what's gonna happen now?
What, sir?
When was the last time you worked on the road?
On the where?
On the road.
So hold on.
That's where you're going?
No, sir.
You're not listening to me again.
Oh, come on. On the road?
Another reason why you're in this situation is because you did not listen to me in the first place.
Sir, big and serious. You know what we do already. We do what we do. A whole heap of duck we make. A whole heap of things we do. You understand what I mean? If you go put me upon traffic, I beat you, I beat me up. I'm gonna go just lick on my head back right there, so. No, boss, man, you can't do better than that. Look there. Right ticket. Boom. A big disrespect that when people are coming and say, a man like a me, the power road. No, sir, do better than that, man. Do better than that, man. Nah, take that one, man. We can't take that one. Yeah, but traffic thing. This is how I talk to you the most utmost respect and everything, boss. Oh, man, you can't go put me on the road for man go blow off my head, boss. After all what me do for this a government, for this a country. No, man. Better than that, boss. Better than that.
Would you rather have no work or traffic? Which one? You make the decision. My recommendation to you is to take the duty, the traffic duty. That is my recommendation. All right. And understand that you brought this on yourself. We had an agreement when you walk out of here, yeah?
All right. Just have a nice day, sir.
You have a good day as well.
Traffic.
Yo, I'm charging. So I say now my pops call business.
Me sure know say you come here 4 months ago and not see me and none to right through the 4 months.
So bad people after 4 months and I must get up on your foot, man.
You know what happened to me?
I have no idea about where they're going.
Boy, my supplier will supply me the thing them. Come here, come mash me up, left me for dead things, so I'm dead, you know. But if I live machine for 4 months.
What you plan for me, Shatter? Because you don't know, you know.
Mali selling done, you know, because that me want hold, you know. But you see, if me get to Mali right now, me will take it. Because Mali make you feel like you want to fly. Sometimes, you see how the building runs, so? Me see a nigga jump off of the fight.
Alright, my family, they don't know, you know. I know you want to hear about that, you know. That's what Mali me really want to deal with, you know. Yeah, family say don't know, you know. That's how they know.
We link. But if we find none, we send it come.
Alright, my general.
That liquor with that give me, that give me memory loss. Oh. Right there. What one cuz? Yeah, man. Glad to hear from the eye. You know what, sir, to tell you the truth. The reason why I'm here from for 3 months, you know what, I coma me did in a cuz. The one doc lick me with the car jack out. You know them when them jack up them car them put on tire. I don't even know them thing because I don't drive still. I say cuz me have to lay down like say me dead. Yeah, well, enough of that cuz. You're my bad man favorite police cousin. Right, you know, more and you're the only one can sort out that problem. More you deal with in case me cuz. You're alright for the phone. Me want to deal with him. Remember some me used to get a girl, you know. How when you're a bad man, you can't get girl, you know. Yeah, man. I beg you do. Because right now, I'm paranoid. I don't remember. I'm going to remember my phone, but I'm panic. All right, coach. Look more. Boy, you can beat me, man.
Yo, no run. Easy, no run. Yeah, man, hold on. Just hold on. Wait. Hold on, me talk. Me need to talk to you. Hold on. Hold on. Sit down, man.
You know what everything got that.
Which that? You think I wish that? Which that?
No.
By the way, wait. What I'm telling you? You're still in a bandage. What I'm telling you?
You know, say, buy a bike and jump off of it.
Eh?
Crash.
I know you then. For real?
Wow.
You know me already. I'll film me investigation. He said if you was a cat, ate your life gone.
No.
You understand what I mean?
Well, you don't understand me, I say, man.
If me not understand, I say, me know on a bike. So they better come to me with them story there. Me know everything. Me know everything. No worry yourself.
I'm here you buy bike and me buy bike. No must me buy bike and crash and drop and lick me head.
Yeah, but they report they would have give. So no worry yourself. Me know where you are going. Alright? Go me know. No worry yourself. Anyway, when me come here for, you help me need.
Who that?
You help me need. Me need to deal with the doc. You understand what I mean?
Which doc?
Which doc? You know what me I talk about, man. Just stop pretending and whatever. You know what me I talk.
You know the brother.
Maybe you know the brother. Well, you're hard not for cracking a youth. But don't worry yourself. Because me know say you will give me what me want. Yeah, man. So me have some Mali in a bus. So
we know the brother now, man. We know him.
Me know, man. Me know you not come to your senses, man. Me know him. Yeah. But the way you get me know, say boy, them memory they come back.
You know him as a gynecology.
What you say?
Yeah. That same that there.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Don't worry yourself, man. Me have a work out things, alright? So just come right as someone knows the information. I mean, even want nobody, you know,
no, the Mali first.
Alright, cool.
Mali first.
You know what? I don't really have a Mali. I want to tell you the truth. I actually don't want little information for you. Zane? So, I don't have a Mali.
So
but we can get the Mali to you. I left it in my locker.
So, you know what that mean though?
What that mean now?
When you have a Mali, you can check me. You get every information. Make sure the pink Mali and the yellow Mali you bring come.
You're not easy, you know.
You're not like monkey one them.
No man, I'm serious. I tell you in debt, you're not easy. Me I go get the Mali and me I come check you. Me I come check your boss. See all the rain fall, me I have to go run up. I come link your boss.
Run but not wet the Mali when you come back.
Alright, boss. No worry yourself.
Cause the Mali make you feel so high. The Mali make me feel so high. Mali and watching me and Dak.
Boy, I want to tell you, say, so car me yesterday and deal with me, I waste time, I say, me suckle. Like a little picnic, I could even talk to him, man, I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Man, give me a week. And when you give me a week to ride, the man, I go put me to traffic.
Long time, me I tell you about that soup boy there, you know.
So I say the respect I have a man from when I tell you, say, boy, trust me. When the man I talk to man and I tell me, say, boy, 1 week, man, I say, yo, he come like, say, boy, he sink me in a hole, my youth. Remember me tell you.
So now the same payments me assure so I could do some local hustling on the side, man.
You know, say, boy, I tell you the truth, but you say me not in them something, man.
Brother, I remember last year they go up and you think a 70,000 alone will you get.
What? Another ticket?
No man, 100,000 man, I'm gonna take 30 for myself, man.
What you say to me?
Brother, if you remember I said soup have more money, you know, soup money big, you know.
Yo, why you not easy enough, virgin? But boy, I don't know, but as I say, boy, them something, we just can't do them things, the boss. Hard to do them things. How me feel, the moral, you would even know. We just can't do it. Alright, this is a thing I have me two sitting, man. It come like something I force, you know, right. Something in the right, me I tell you, man. It was like the whole thing. We do this thing all the while. Rough up boy, and we go in, and we do a thing. And then all of a sudden, we just go rough up with that a little bit. Then all of a sudden, I traffic me, I go. Something bright night forth, man. Come like what? Yo, you see all this whole doctor thing, and a boy there, where a selfie, man, they run a boy there, man. One of them name Popeye.
Oh,
yo,
same boy there.
Yeah, man, that the one there, man. No Ringo, you know. Popeye, one of them will work, one little runner. A big investigation, me find out, say, yo, the man, they mash up the man. Mash him up and put him in the hospital. You understand me? Yeah, man. But all of a sudden, I can't let you loose. I can't let you loose. That's how you think. I mean, if you understand, say, boy, man, have connection, I feel I wonder.
Yeah. So hold on, Spence, where you get all of this information from?
Yo, if me tell you, say, virgin, the thing start from a simple little high school, you know. A little girl go get some out her sister draw, whatever, and the thing blew up in a sense where
when me get involved now and so forth, and me go deal with the case and you know. But the long short right the boy, the girl we start it, she name Amanda.
Suspense. So how me in I force and me don't know all of them are something I go on.
Why? Enough thing you don't know, no boss. Enough thing you don't know, no, but you what me now. Have a pinch and tell you what I go on still. Zin? Could have put her on no witness protection. But I me just go behind myself and say, boy, yo, me help her out. I put her all the way up on my auntie place in a place near Mango Valley in St. Mary. But she just easy because I kind of feel a way say, all of this the right fan boy with she and so forth and you know she the youth are dealing with her and we are threatening her and try to find out certain things, you know.
Like that like that one, man.
No man, you know all about the work, man. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. We just
sure?
put her up. Yeah man, we just put her up because boy of the guilt, you know say come from she. You understand what I mean? Yo, you know good me feel when all the ministers say that when boy find stuff on you, eh? You can lick boy head. You understand what I mean? You know good me feel when time the man say that. Can you imagine a man a point a gun for you and you for just on the back of your head? In the come. You know if you shoot boy and them say, you know good me feel. So you say when time all the minister come out and say that, you know good me feel, Bridget. But here the boom! Amnesty, Indicom. Yo, I tell you say moral down man. Things are like before man. Remember me tell you.
So what about that?
You remember Peter who betrayed Jesus?
I know Peter betrayed Jesus. I Judas.
Any one of them?
What do you mean anyone? How happened? It's a sound.
Well, nothing. Just I try to make sure that everything is alright.
Doc.
And you're on the right path.
Me and Papa, you know. You have to know that, you know. Doc, me is a businessman. me is a businessman. See? Something not right.
You're nervous?
Nervous? I can't nervous. I call up on my spot of my turf this. My grounds. So I'm nervous. Me the business. Talk to me. What you hear about? Something like that.
Anyways. You know, so Detective Spence came by my office yesterday.
Spence?
And, yeah man, him come to find out how I get out of jail and the whole 9 yards. And he might tell me, say, somebody in my camp give him some information. You see me?
Stop it right there, Doc. Me and you go to prison. That make sense? Me and you there at prison. So who out of your camp make me and you go to prison? When police come to you and tell us things, you have to remember this in the first place. And me I run business, and for all of the years of business I run, right? Nothing no go wrong. Then to it happen that's me and you go to prison. So me I go inform upon myself, reason the thing out, Doc. Check the mathematics, check the chemistry, and adjust the PhD we have. You have to check the physics and the, you know what I mean, the proper solution to what go on. Now I see you come out with your tool while you all stuff still upon it from.
No man, I clean more clean too man, because blood still is on it, you know.
So you Doc, how far where you come from, you know?
No need to be nervous, man.
No, I'm not nervous.
Just want to know, say, yo, you're up on the right path, you know.
Doc.
Because you see, I put too much blood, sweat, and tears and have too much connection in this. For just one man.
Likewise.
Mess it up.
Likewise.
You see me I say? Because this is my bread and my butter, you know. And this is my business. This is my empire. This are my kids' future, you know. And I don't want to know, say,
you're one of the rat them in the camp. You hear me tell you? You don't ramp with my business.
Alright,
You don't
Doc.
ramp with my money. But anyways, you're a good boy.
So me hands him go high?
You're a good boy, man. But here we know, we need to make some money. You see me? Because I don't want to use this again. We need to get the product them. In every community, every gully, every trench, everywhere to get this. Every organization. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So we need money. And this is it. This is very little future. This is, if the government can grab some, why we can't grab some too? We need to have very future. You see me?
Alright, Doc.
But don't make this thing happen again.
No, man, it will never happen again. You have my word. Doc, for all the years we have business, ever short of your money? You ever see $1 less, now always $1 more. Think good, Doc. Business as usual. The streets are going to be flooded. Schools, party,
Everything.
clubs, everything.
We need to celebrate.
Give me some more gummies. Gummies and finish. Alright?
No worries,
when I
sir.
reach in, you send the package to me.
Alright then, no problem.
Alright, Doc?
Best of yourself and
Anglo
continue.
Bango. Yeah, man.
Continue the way it is. In?
Go on, do your thing.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Mr. Punk. You want this skunk? Blanco. Yeah, man, I ring on this. You know someone have a reason with you. I have to go sit down and talk to you because you say loyalty no good no more. Loyalty is just a fraction of life's, lifestyle. So you are going. I come link you and talk to you personally because I think we have to start something because guess what now? I can't put in so much work in a next man thing. And next man I try to diss me a certain way. Because you know say we Jamaicans are deal with disrespect. You know what I mean? So Plonko, soon come link you. See? We have to start for generational business. Alright? We have the streets locked already. You don't know that means a man of the streets. Watch what I go on.
This is a public
Alright,
report.
Doc.
Richard Brownfield, Paradise Nation.
Paradise Nation.
Public report, you know what I mean? Hey. We have a price to pay for our selfish ways. Things that we do affects the youth today. Yeah. Careful of the things you say. Karma will repay for your sins of yesterday. You better watch the dock. The streets are get attacked, and this is not rat-tat-tat. You know how the tingo. If you want to bingo, check Ringo. The streets are get attacked. You better watch the dock. I'm in attack, rat-tat-tat-tat. The streets are get attacked. You better check the dock. I'm in attack, rat-tat-tat-tat. Mali epidemic. Mali epidemic. Mali